Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Agent's Edge. My name is Ryan Polimeni. Today we're going to talk about, should you add AUM to your practice? Now, I got to tell you, for 10 years of my career in the financial world, I did not do assets under management. We didn't have assets under management in our firm. And I got by, and it was funny because I was teaching the Advanced Markets Bootcamp a couple weeks ago, and we were talking about this and the evolution of your business. And if you're going to become a holistic advisor and you are missing the big piece of the puzzle, here's what I could tell you. Most people who do not add assets under management to their business rarely get over $5 million. I know we got some rock stars out there that are $10 million, $20 million producers. They don't do assets under management. But the reality is this. If you really want to get your business to the next level, or let me phrase it this way too, if you don't want to have to wake up January 1st and do it over and over and over again every single year, it's probably a good idea for you to be thinking about adding assets under management to your business. Now, you may be early on in your career, just trying to figure out the life insurance thing, figure it out first. But I do think that adding assets under management and really becoming a full-service financial advisor should be the goal for all of you watching. Now, let me also phrase it this way too and say this. If you don't have the desire to do it, partner with somebody who does, or who already is a fiduciary that is a licensed advisor. Because I will tell you this, we have won more million-dollar clients in 2022 than we have ever won it in our lives because of the way that we are designing cases. And I'll even say tail end of last year too. We got pretty heavy into the AUM last year. But it made all the difference in the world, because there are times where you are going to talk to somebody who really likes you, who really wants to do business with you, but an annuity is not the right thing for them. An IUL may not be the right thing for them, but assets under management and managing their portfolio may be the right thing for them, and it gives people an opportunity to work with you. Not only that, but like a lot of you selling Medicare, why do you do it? Well, because you get that renewal book every single year. AUM is no different. AUM allows you to be able to collect assets, manage somebody's portfolio for them, and get paid every single year to do it over and over and over again. You can wake up January 1st with a $10 million book of business and have a six-figure potential income coming in. So again, would you rather do that, or do you want to spin your wheels every year? For those of you that are out there selling mortgage protection life insurance and you're going over the same thing, you're doing $100,000 a year over and over and over again, wouldn't you want to wake up and already have that income called a salary, right? It's basically what we look at as a salary. But it's another piece to your business that brings in revenue and allows you to reinvest that back into your business. And I'll give you an example. I'll tell you what we do. So my business partner, Bryant, handles all of our assets under management. He is fiduciary. He's fully licensed. We run all of our business through him. I help design the cases on the tax side, the insurance side. When there's an opportunity to build a portfolio, he comes in. We work together on it. And there's a lot of power and working in a partnership with somebody as well, because now they get to work with two people versus one. They have two minds working on their case versus one, right? So it allows you to have that kind of influence over somebody as well, where you're, saying, look, it's not just me. I'm not a lone ranger here. We got a team behind us. So if that's the way you want to go with partnering with somebody. But the way that we looked at it is, we're already having a lot of success on the annuities, the big IUL cases. We got a ton of revenue coming in. But if we could add a couple $100,000 a year in AUM revenue, what does that do for us? Well, it allows us to take that money, not touch it, right? We're living off of our own sales. We don't need the AUM money. That's a bonus on top of everything we've been doing anyways. So we're taking that money and reinvesting it back into our business. We're going the acquisition route with it. Once we have it bumped up, we're hiring more staff with it. We're hiring financial advisors and actually giving them a small salary on top of. So there's so many things you could do with the additional revenue. But that's why I talk about all the time too, is being smart with your money. Just because you have another $10,000, $20,000 a year coming in from another source of revenue doesn't mean you go and blow it, okay? Let it build, save it, add it to your investments, to your business. Because you should have, minimally, if you're going to do this and you're going to stay here for a while, you should be in this thing for literally thinking about the next 10 years. What does the next 10 years of business, what does the next 5 years look like? Strive really hard, but really, what do the next 10 years look like for you? And if you're going to be here and you're going to go and you think that you're going to start doing these workshops and seminars and the only thing you're going to sell is an annuity, I'm telling you right now, you're going to miss out on a lot. Because here's what's going to happen. Maybe this has already happened to you. You're working a case, and maybe the client has $500,000, and maybe you're doing a good enough job to explain to them why an annuity fits their retirement plan, if it does. Again, has to be the right thing. But maybe the annuity is the right thing, and they have $300,000 that they're going to put into an annuity. What about the other $200,000? If they ask you, then what do we do with the $200,000, and you don't have an answer for that, or you say just leave it there, they will question you. You will lose cases because of that. Or what if they're already working with a financial advisor and maybe they like you better and they want to give you $300,000 to put into an annuity, but they're going to keep the other $200,000 with the financial advisor? Who do you think is going to absolutely destroy your sale or your opportunity to work with that family? The other advisor. But if you have the opportunity to go in, move $300,000 or $200,000, whatever you're doing with your client, and then also collect the rest of the assets and help them manage it in a portfolio. Maybe the annuities their conservative portfolio. Maybe the assets under management could be more of an aggressive portfolio. Do you see how that could help your practice? Do you see how you become more of a holistic advisor where people will come to you and not have to piecemeal things? People don't like piecemealing. If they're going to do it, they want it in one spot. Okay? So if you could add that, we've talked already a lot about adding a tax practice and why you should add taxes to your firm. We've talked about adding estate planning. Look, this is a holistic advisor. This is the difference between a $5 million producer and a $10+ million producer. I can tell you, I'm beyond the 10 million. I didn't get there until we started doing these things, okay? I'm telling you from experience. So take a look at your business model. Does AUM make sense for you? If it doesn't make personal sense for you, for whatever reason you don't want to do it, that's fine. Can you partner with somebody that you can run your assets under management through? Get a good partnership agreement on there so everything is in writing. But this is your business. Take control of it. Do not miss out on things just because you're missing that piece of the puzzle. So figure out what your business model is. Let me know if I could help. I'm getting through this. I can help you structure things. I could tell you what to do on how we've done it, the way in our office, and how it's really made a big impact on our firm. So this is your firm. Take control of it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Hey, make sure to hit the like button. Those of you that are watching this and you keep watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button for me, all right? Share it. We'll see you on the next episode.